Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Cadillac XTS Luxury. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated ventilated seats, panoramic sunroof, heated rear seating, navigation, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior. Again, this black interior with paneling and storage at the bottom. You get the trunk release equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors and windows with your seat memory and wood and chrome accents. And here we're gonna have these leather heated seats, super comfortable. And left side will be your vents with your parking brake. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control and as well as voice recognition with heated steering wheel. And the right side being your volume and odometer cluster control. Oops, back out of there. So you can go for fuel economy and as well as your audio, navigation, as well as all your other gauges there. It's going to be push to start. Go to the infotainment equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in navigation here. You can also access built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, Amazon Alexa, and Spotify. With the glove box and park assist on the side there. You got climate controls just on the bottom here with the heated ventilated seats, as well as a little extra storage compartment there. You're gonna have the shifter and center console storage with USB. And passenger side, same finish. Wooden chrome all the way across. Speakers and vents up top. And then here you can access reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your panoramic sunroof there. You're gonna have these 19-inch aluminum wheels on royal black tires with paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handles. Trunk here. Tons of extra trunk space as well. Extra wheel storage and tools down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again, more paneling and storage next to speaker, power window with the wooden chrome. Hop in the back. Pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear vents, rear heated seating, and USB. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. As you can see, with extra storage inside, as well as storage to the trunk there, and lamps and handles right on the side there. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2018 Cadillac XTS Luxury, equipped with 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as heated and ventilated leather seats, heated rear seating, navigation, cruise control, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.